In a histogram, we have to remember that it's the area of each rectangle that corresponds to the frequency, or that tells you the frequency. So let's have a look at what this histogram is telling us. In this histogram, we've got frequency density up the side, but we haven't got a scale, so that doesn't really help us at all. What we're told, though, is the number of trees with heights in the class 2 to 3, the number of trees in that group is 20, which is a roundabout way of saying that there are 20 trees which have a height between 2 meters and 3 meters. So in other words, there are 20 trees in this group here. What that actually means, though, because for a histogram it's the area which represents the frequency, here we have 4 squares representing 20 trees. So each of these 4 squares must represent 5 trees. So the question now says, how many trees are there which have a height between 4 and 8? Well, if we look at the rectangle from 4 to 8, in fact you can see it's the same area, but each of these squares represents 5 trees, therefore there must be 5 times 4, in other words 20 trees in that group as well. So there are 20 trees which have a height between 4 and 8 meters. Second part of the question says, how many trees are there in the 3 to 4 group? Okay, here's the 3 to 4 group. Well, there's 5 trees there. 5, 5, 5, 5, and 5. In other words, there must be 6 times 5, which must be 30 in that group. So the answer to the first part is 20, second part is 30.